Hello everyone, today we are excited to present our project in collaboration with BNY Mellon. Our goal was to develop an algorithm for the well-known mean reversion strategy in algorithmic trading. The objective of such a quantitative trading algorithm is to use mathematical and statistical techniques to make buying and selling decisions in the financial markets. In a few words, the mean reverting strategy consists in identifying assets whose price tends to return to an average or centered value after fluctuation. We use machine learning techniques to detect the best asset to use for our strategy. Once a mean reverting trend has been identified, our algorithm can enter a short position if the asset is overvalued and long position if it is undervalued, using limit or stop order with the main objective of generating profits. By studying stationarity of the spread of our selected asset pairs and other key concepts, we were able to build a profitable strategy and algorithm for the S&P 500. With this project, we not only improve our financial and mathematical knowledge, but also our programming skills using Python. We are proud to have created a potential solution for BNY Mellon, making this project a highly stimulating and rewarding experience for our team in terms of quantitative skills, but also financial knowledge. Thank you for listening.